Welcome back to Arizona Midday. Owning a business comes with risk, and the unexpected cost can be overwhelming. But there is a way to protect yourself before there's a problem. Attorney Corey Bahme is here to explain how. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you. I'm so excited to be here.
Well, we're excited to learn more today. So let me ask you this. What are some common legal blind spots business owners have?
One common legal blind spot that a lot of business owners have today, especially in Arizona, is the handshake deals. What happened 2 decades ago and what worked then doesn't work today. So a lot of business owners will call me and they'll say, well, we had a handshake deal. We act like it's still the Wild West, and so everyone thinks it's okay. And obviously today we're in a much different society. It's a lot more litigious, so it doesn't always work.
Okay.
Another one is with AI, the use of AI. A lot of business owners are using it to draft contracts. What's funny about it is they do that just because it's cheaper, it's more affordable. And then whenever a dispute arises, they say, well, it wasn't a valid contract. And that's not true. It's still a valid contract. It just doesn't have the protections that you need and want in them.
Oh, good to know.
Yes.
Okay.
Another is using ChatGPT to help you develop your business plan. So a lot of business owners will type in a ChatGPT or another AI service and say, I need to create a business plan. Here's all my trade secrets. Here's like how my business is different. Here's how I'm unique. And what they don't know is that it's no longer a trade secret. On top of that, that AI service, if someone's in another part of the country or world and they're saying, hey, I'm going into this business, I need a good idea, that AI service can take that information and give your idea to someone else. And so you're no longer protecting what you've just built and what you developed. The last common pitfall I'm going to talk about, because I've been seeing it so much lately. People that use GoDaddy or Wix or things like that to create their websites, they think those are stock photos so they can use it on their website. Then all of a sudden they get a cease and desist letter for copyright infringement. And what they don't realize is someone does own that image. And of course, GoDaddy, Wix, all these companies say it's on you to do your due diligence to make sure that you can use that photo. It's not on us. We never said it was a stock photo.
Oh.
And the business owners are like, what are you talking about? I thought it was. And then of course, the person that owns the photo is like, now pay me money.
Oh my
or I'm
goodness.
going to sue you.
I never thought about that, right? Like,
Oh, yeah.
You're right, because you would think if you're using a service like GoDaddy or one of those sites that they already know that, okay, we're going to let you know that the photos you use are fine. But no, okay.
Yes, I don't even know how many cases I've had of that recently. There's like a law firm in Utah and they're just going after everyone. And it's really hard because if it's a photo that's owned, it should say copyright on it, right? You should know and be able to tell that someone owns that image. I can't use that image, but it's not. And so a lot of business owners are getting in that sticky situation.
Wow, great information you're sharing with us, because I'm sure viewers are like, what? I didn't even think about that either. Okay, so you did share a lot with us. So at what point should a business owner hire a lawyer?
I would always say to consult a lawyer at any point in time. One, before you start the business, ask the right questions. Tell the attorney what you're doing with your business, where you're going, what your goals are, the audience that you're going to have, clients, customers, all of that, and just get an idea of the budget. How much would it cost to have an attorney create all of those documents for you? A lot of the times it's more affordable than you think. And even if it's not in the beginning, you can always go back, right? So start out small, do one contract now, and then come back as your business develops.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Yeah.
Okay, great tip there again. Oh my gosh. Okay, so what role does exit strategies play in protecting a business long-term value?
It's a massive, massive role to play, and a lot of business owners understate it often. And it's not just for when people think exit strategies, they think of retirement. But what happens if you become disabled or you pass away? Your business would be interrupted if you don't have those planning in place. And so I would say speak to your team, get your exit strategist in place, your financial advisor, your legal advisor. On top of that, a lot of people, whenever they're going to actually plan for an exit for their retirement, we say to do that at least 5 years in advance.
Okay.
Because you don't know all of the options available. Maybe you can sell to an equity partner. Maybe you can sell to someone that's in the same business and do an asset purchase agreement, or maybe your employees can take over, or your family. And a lot of people, business owners, don't take that option. And the reason they don't take it is because they think, oh, well, my family or the employees don't have enough money. There's life insurance that your company can pay to help to plan for that exit and for that strategy. And so it's a massive role, because if you don't have those strategies in place, what'll happen at the end of the day is you just walk away from your business because you think there's nothing there.
Wow.
Whereas if you've talked to someone and you've planned, you can get the most value for it.
Well, you have shared a lot of valuable information with us today, and I know there's still so much more to learn, but oh my gosh, they're just gonna have to reach out to you and get that info, right?
Yes, absolutely.
All right. Well, thank you so much for joining us, and if you do want to learn more, go ahead and visit the website there at the bottom of your screen or call that number. Thank you.
Thank you.
This segment is brought to you by Above Par Network. Reimagine networking.